What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm on my way to the store real quick, but I'm going to go buy it's called an eraser, something like that, to like remove the glue off like the doors and stuff without like damaging the paint. So like, cause I'm gonna take off the moldings off my new truck that I got, and then come home to attempt to remove the moldings, cause they're kind of bad already. So I want them off, cause they're kind of already falling off themselves. So that's what I'm about to do right now. If you guys haven't copied your guys' merch, make sure to shop on the website. We just dropped these keychains, pretty clean, embroidered with the logo, and it says remove before skating. But don't forget to shop on the website, cop the merch. I got one of the jerseys on right now. It's a little dirty, but got the jersey on, repping. I got t-shirts, hats, and decals available, so make sure to rep, you know. So here's the eraser. I've never used one of these, but they all recommend to use this to remove the glue. But yeah, let's head home. I'm gonna get my drill, get the battery, and then install this sucker, and we'll go from there, because I honestly don't know what to expect. This is my first time doing the door molding removal, so, and I'm gonna show you guys a new truck too as well. So but yeah, let's get to the house real quick. So I put the eraser on the drill, and this is how my door moldings look. They're kind of already coming hard. Let's see. So I'm gonna take these off. I'm not going back now. That's one. Two, and then I'm gonna clean this up and start removing this glue with this eraser before I show you guys the truck. But just a hint, you know what I'm saying? Just a hint, you know what I'm saying? Just a little hint right now. But let me set up the camera and then we'll go from there. So there's one done. I still gotta clean it up a little bit. There's some like erase marks still on it, but I don't know if you can camera pick that up right. There's a little line, but I'll clean that up. But other than that, it looks good. On to the next one.
Are you gonna flip it?
So I finished both sides. It looks a lot more. It looks a lot better than what it used to. These junks right here, garbage. I mean,
¿Este siempre viene así?
no, it's like a clear bra they put. That's a little clear bra. It's a little dirty, but yeah, it needs to be like a little cleaned up because there's a little bit of residue left, like from the eraser. You can't really tell on the camera, but there's some smudges. But other than that, it looks so much better. I haven't even showed them the new truck yet, but this is what I got. A 2013 GMC SLT 2500 6.6 diesel. It has like a 2 or 3 inch lift on 37s on 20s. I put some new Denali stocks on here because it has some black field ones that looked ugly. But yeah, I gotta get new tires because I got some used tires with them. But so far, I love the truck. It's nice. It's 4x4 and leather interior. It's a little messy. What do you think of the diesel?
Clean.
Clean?
Clean as this.
Yeah, we're taking this one to Texas, so make sure to see it out there. We also got decals on the website, so go shop. Adrian, you want to show them your new truck or not yet?
Yeah, okay. New daily.
The new daily. What you got? It's 2007? 2006? 2006 single cab. Cat eye. Favorite body body style. Got the plug in the back over there.
What is it? Camera. And then outlets.
Reverse camera for the tailgate. And fog lights. Nice. So that's gonna be on the next video. Next video we're gonna install the reverse camera because I have it on this one. See? And fog lights. It has fog lights, but
They're not connected.
they're not connected. So we're gonna hook them up the OEM way. That Lotte man's here. Let's see if we get some munch on.
Caballero.
Dame una manguñada.
¿Quieres una?
Yeah, porfa.
Con cacahuate.
Porque caiga.
La dentadura.
Suavecito, you know. Shout out to the plug. Fire. You needed something like this for the AZ weather because 110 degrees ain't no joke. So we're going to remove the Sierra SLT, maybe the GMC logo, but I did the passenger side doors. I think I'm gonna remove these as well. Might remove this too just cause, but we're gonna start on there and then remove the door emblems next, and then I might keep this one just cause, but we'll see. So the first step you want to find is like some string or some like nice thick plastic. That way you don't scratch the paint with like when you're removing these emblems, because if you use like a flathead you're gonna scratch the paint and you don't want to scratch the paint. So you got to use like some fishing line, a string, or like this. I just found this laying around, and it's for cutting wrap, and it has a piece of string and some plastic, but it works pretty good. So all you do is stick it in between the door and the emblem, and you go back and forth, and it's gonna rip. But luckily we got enough, and you just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Until the emblem comes off, and you do it to all of them. Sometimes it goes smoothly, sometimes it doesn't. That's why it rips. Just take your time with it, and it'll come out. Almost done. Last letter. Okay. Last cut. So after you use your fishing line or string or whatever you have laying around to remove the letters, you see they'll come off. Like the number 2 actually took off most of the glue. You're going to clean your surface a little bit. Clean up all the dirt that's laying around right there, because you don't want to scratch your paint when you're removing the glue. Then you get your drill with your eraser on it, and I like to use the edge to remove the glue because it comes off easier. See how mine's kind of wore down on the side, but you just place it and you put about like a light medium pressure and like a slow medium rotation, because if you spin it too fast then this will break. So as you can see, we still got a little bit of glue there, but we got most of it coming off. And I'm gonna show you from this point of view. You just put it like this sideways. And it works. See, we removed it all, and there's a little bit of residue left, so I'm gonna remove that. And all you got to do is apply light medium pressure with like a low medium speed and just work it, and it'll come off. And I'll show you guys right now the aftermath. So after you work it, after you work the eraser against the adhesive or the glue from the emblems, it should be clean and clear. So we removed the 2500 HD, the door, what are they called? The plastics off the doors, they don't come to my mind right now, but get what I mean. We removed that on both sides. And then we removed the Sierra SLT. I left the GMC emblem. And then, of course, we did the passenger side. 2500 removal and the two door things right there.